everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Minju and today I'm going to be doing another colored contacts try on haul. If you haven't checked out my last two videos about colored contacts, I did a try on haul from a company called Eye Candies, which I believe is based in Hong Kong, and also a haul from a company called OLENS, which is based in South Korea. But today's video is going to be about OLENS, which is another company based in South Korea, and they're pretty well known for their collaboration with Blackpink. So I was super excited to try out this haul and let's get right into it. So I did open the box here, OLENS, and the cool thing about OLENS is they have a welcome kit for new customers. So you just sign up for a membership and then they have a welcome kit. So basically you pick one type of contact and it's not limited to just one or two options. It's basically most of their contact lenses that you can pick one of. So you open up right here. By the way, look how pretty this packaging is. I really like this rainbow holographic type of packaging. So this was the limited edition welcome kit. I picked the Russian Gold, and this is a daily contact. So you pick one and then they give you this box. This has 20 pieces, so 10 pairs. And then they give you 3 different samples that they choose. So I picked this one and then they chose this one for me. So I'm just seeing this for the first time. I have a Scandi One Day Hazel. Is this even focused? Yeah, Scandi One Day Hazel. So I am wearing the Scandi One Day Hazel and I really like it. They have a very apparent coloring on the outside, so it's not as fluid of a blend, but I do really like the color of the contacts. I don't know if you guys can tell, so I'll input some close-up clips. And then another Scandi One Day Gray. Yeah, Scandi One Day Gray. Next, I'm wearing the Scandi One Day in Gray. And it's very similar to the Scandi in Hazel. It has the very bold, clear, separate gray color line. And I like this one too. I don't know if these are going to be my favorites so far, but I do like them. I don't mind them. And I will show you guys some close-ups. And then a Secret Ice Gray. So that's really cool. These are also one-day lenses. So I am back with the Secret in Gray and wow. Okay, so immediately I noticed a difference while I was trying to put it on. The lens was already much larger than the previous 2 Scandi that I just tried on for you guys. So I think that these are circle lenses. So circle lenses are much larger than your eyes and they give you that doll effect. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my eyes look much like bigger and dollier and cuter. So I think that these are circle lenses. I personally don't reach for circle lenses. I have bought and used circle lenses in the past, so I don't mind these. I probably wouldn't wear these on the daily, but I do think that if you're going for a certain look, then try these out. They could be for you. So I have 3 samples of one-day lenses in Ice Gray, Gray, and Hazel, and then a Russian Gold that I chose, which comes with 20 pieces. So this is their welcome kit. So I'm back in the Russian Gold and I really like these. They kind of remind me of Edward Cullen's eye color after he goes hunting for like deer or mountain lion and his eyes turn like this brown hazel. So I'm going to show you a close-up so you can see what I'm talking about. Next, they give you contact lens cases, which is always a necessity. They also gave me an OLENS pen, as well as a contacts wear and care pamphlet. Eye Candies also gave a wear and care pamphlet, which I think is really great, just so that you know how to wear and use colored contacts, because obviously you're putting it in your eye, so you don't want to just put anything in your eye. So that's really nice. So additionally, I bought 4 different kinds of contact lenses. OLENS is kind of famous for their Spanish line because Blackpink's Jennie, I think, wore the Spanish gray and it became like a big hit. So these are the famous Spanish gray lenses from OLENS that Blackpink have worn and marketed for them. So I was really excited to try these out. I love gray colored contacts. In almost every haul, I always get a pair of gray ones. So I was really excited to try these out. So I'm back in the Spanish gray and they're okay. They're a very subtle gray. I think I just hyped it up in my head, you know, Blackpink collab, Jennie, who doesn't love Jennie? So I was just expecting something more, but it's a very subtle gray and I will show you guys a close-up. So I bought Spanish Real Peach. I bought these purple color contacts from my latest Dear Lens haul, and honestly they were one of my favorite pair of colored contacts. Even though they were purple pink, you couldn't really tell that they were unless you were really up close to my face or I was, you know, standing in direct sunlight and you can really tell. But for the most part, they were as natural as purple and pink lenses could be. So I really wanted to get something similar, and I saw these peach ones and I thought it would be really fun to just try out. So I did get the Spanish Real Peach and I'll be trying those on. So I'm back with the Spanish Peach, and this is a lot more apparent than the Spanish Gray in terms of coloring. The Spanish Gray was a lot more subtle, so if that was kind of your style and you didn't want a more obvious color contact lens, then I do recommend the Spanish Gray. The Spanish Peach is a lot more apparent in terms of coloring. The peach is not much of a peach in terms of my own eye color. It kind of comes off as a light brown, similar to the Hazels that I've tried so far. But maybe in the sunlight it will show as a more apparent peach color. So I will show you guys some close-ups. Next, I have Russian Velvet in green, and I've never heard of this line before, Russian Velvet, but I saw the color contacts and I thought they were pretty. I also really like green colored contacts. I've worn green colored contacts before and they just add like a subtle hint of green. It's not in your face, which I really like. So I'm going to try out these Russian Velvet ones, and I have pretty high hopes for this line, so I'm excited to try this out as well. I'm wearing the Russian Velvet in green and I really like these. They are a very bold color, but still not as in your face, but not as subtle as the Spanish Gray. So I really like these. I think that this is probably one of my favorites so far, and I will show you guys a close-up. Last but not least, we have another pair of Russian Velvet lenses, but these are in brown. They spelled brown in Korean.
Brown.
I'm not saying that I don't like my eye color, but they're just a very dark brown, and I wanted to get a nice brown that will just kind of add a little twinkle. So I did want to try like a hazel or a brown type of colored contact just to see if it does make a difference. So I did get a pair of brown colored contacts as well. So I'm wearing the Russian Velvet in brown, and honestly I guess I unintentionally saved the best for last because these are my favorite color contacts of the entire haul. They're a brown, they're subtle but bold at the same time. So again, they're not as subtle as the Spanish Gray, but they're just that perfect combination that I tend to look for in a colored contact. So I'm really excited about the Russian Velvet line more than the Spanish Gray line actually. So I will show you guys a close-up. So So that's the end of this OLENS colored contacts try on haul. I really enjoyed this haul. I picked a lot more colored contacts this time around than I did for the eye candies and the Deer Lens video. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a lot more different kinds of colored contacts. This time around, I found myself liking the Russian Velvet line a lot more than the Spanish line, which was a surprise to me because I really thought that I would love the Spanish line. I like the Spanish line, but I really find myself gravitating towards the Russian Velvet line, which was a nice surprise. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I'm going to have all of the colored contacts listed in the description box below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!